Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to record screen on your smartphone. In order to access screen recorder, firstly swipe down Control Center. If the screen recorder is not available right here, go to Edit and add screen recorder to Control Center main menu. Tap on it to enable screen recorder. Now, to start recording, press this button. Press it again to stop recording. Also, you can press this button to go to screen recorder settings, where you can change resolution, video quality, orientation, sound source and frame rate. In the end, you can enable lock screen to end, show touch gestures and show button taps. To find your recorded files, press this button. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.